So we have an external doorbell camera and the battery is not sufficient to run all the time. It dies a lot, and then I have this time period where I have to charge the battery and then put it back in, and that means my doorbell camera isn't working. So today we're looking at these rechargeable doorbell camera batteries, which should solve my problem. Really excited about it. This is a really nice, affordable option. It's a 2-pack, so you can be running with one and charging the other, and not have a lot of downtime in between charges. They have a micro USB charging port. It doesn't come with the cables, but nowadays pretty much everybody has these, so you probably have something in your junk drawer that will work to charge these up. So this port can be plugged into either a cord, but there's also chargers specifically made that you can get to charge these as well. In terms of running time, these last just as long as the batteries that came with my camera, my doorbell camera. So I think in terms of that, it's great. And again, you have the option of you always have one ready to go and charged, so it's just a quick swap. So if you're looking for a more affordable option for powering your doorbell camera, these batteries are a great option.